I've got two niches that are in huge demand and growing fast, yet very few people are actually working in them. And I'll give you the complete roadmap to start with one of them right away. Don't wait until 2026, because I'll help you start and grow before the new year begins, so you can start earning on the very first days of 2026. So why waste time? The first niche is short story content. Within this niche, there are many subcategories, but after doing some research online, I found the best ones to focus on: horror stories and historical stories. These two types are among the most popular right now on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Reels. Horror stories attract viewers because they bring excitement and fear in a safe way. They spark curiosity and make people want to see how it ends. Historical stories, on the other hand, attract people who love mystery and knowledge, especially when they're about secrets of the past, mysterious figures, conspiracies, or historical discoveries. Both types are short, thrilling, and create high engagement, which makes viewers keep coming back for more. And if you want proof of what I'm saying, just take a look at these views in front of you right now. Do you see it? These numbers speak for themselves. Some videos reach nearly 40 million views. Imagine that. They're not even real videos, just animated images representing the scenes. The amazing thing about this niche is how easy it is to create content. There's literally nothing easier. You can make a professional quality video with very little effort. No need to work day and night or have any video editing experience. All you need is to follow a few smart steps that make the process simple. So, I'll show you 2 easy ways to create short story content, and you can choose whichever you like best. Method 1. I call this the classic method because everyone knows it. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and ask it for some historical or horror stories. That's it. ChatGPT will generate them instantly. I personally asked for 3 stories and read them carefully, since the beginning of a video, called the hook, is the most important factor for success. I asked ChatGPT to start each story with, "Did you know?" because it immediately triggers curiosity and makes people want to watch until the end. Step 2. Copy the story and go to 11 Labs, one of the most popular AI tools for creating professional voiceovers. Paste your script there, pick a voice that matches your story's theme, and click Generate Speech. Now you have your voiceover ready. Step 3. Open any video editing app, like CapCut. Add the voiceover and remove any silent parts. Next, you'll need some images or short clips that match your scenes. For that, go to Ideogram, a professional free AI image generator. It gives you 12 credits every 2 days, which is more than enough to design multiple stunning images. When you run out of credits, you can simply create another account. Select the short video format, then go back to ChatGPT and ask it for prompts to generate suitable images. For example, type a prompt like Prague Castle. ChatGPT will give you a detailed text prompt. Copy it, paste it into Ideogram, and wait a few seconds. It will generate beautiful, realistic designs. Repeat the same process to create all your remaining images. Now it's time to combine everything in CapCut. Here's where your creativity comes in. The more effects, colors, filters, transitions, and gentle movements you add, the better your video will look. This part might take a little time. For me, about 15 minutes. Before exporting, I add one final and very important touch: auto captions. This feature plays a huge role in making your videos successful. In short, creating a complete video like this will take you about 30 minutes total. Now, let's watch the result together.
Did you know that being thrown out of a window once started a war? In 1618, Protestant nobles in Prague were angry at Catholic rulers. They stormed Prague Castle and threw 2 officials out of a window, about 70 feet high. Amazingly, the men survived, landing in a pile of manure. This wild act sparked the 30 Years' War, one of Europe's deadliest conflicts.
But what if I told you that there's another way that gives you the same result, or even better, in just 2 minutes? You'll be shocked at how easy it is. Everything happens in just one single step. Instead of making one video in 30 minutes, you'll be able to make 15 or more ready-to-upload videos in the same amount of time, using only one AI tool designed specifically for story content. Let's try it together. You'll find the link to this tool in the first comment and description box. Once you open it, sign up with your email and you'll see this dashboard. Later, you can explore all its features, but for now, just choose a template or click on AI Story Video. You can use the built-in AI script feature if you want the tool to write your story for you. No need for ChatGPT. But if you already have a story, like me, paste your script here, cut the first line, and put it in the video starting field. You can also add something to the video ending field. Then click Next. Choose a subtitle style. For example, I'll pick this one, and then select a trending voiceover. There are many voices popular on TikTok and YouTube. Finally, click Generate Video, and in just a few seconds, your video will be ready, like this.
Did you know the Great Fire of London started from a small bakery? In 1666, a fire broke out in a bakery on Pudding Lane. Within days, it destroyed much of London, including 13,000 homes and 87 churches. Remarkably, only 6 people were recorded dead, but the city was left in ruins. The fire also led to major improvements in firefighting and building regulations.
Want to create another one? It's super easy. Just download your current video, go back, paste another story, leave all the settings the same, and boom, a new video is ready in seconds.
Did you know Cleopatra once tried to make a dramatic entrance by smuggling herself into Julius Caesar's palace? In 48 BC, Cleopatra wanted to meet Caesar, but couldn't enter the palace openly due to political tension. She had herself rolled into a carpet, which was then carried in. When unrolled before Caesar, she emerged and impressed him with her charm and intelligence. This clever act helped her regain power in Egypt.
If you want to use the site freely, there's a simple plan for $19, which gives you over 40 videos. Amazing, right? Or the Pro plan, which I personally use, for $30. It's like the credits never run out. I create many videos every day without worrying about limits. And for serious creators, there's a $60 plan, which lets you make over 180 videos. There's also a 15% discount on yearly subscriptions. And here's a little secret between you and me. I've integrated this tool into my personal workflow. I've made many videos with it and used them on my TikTok channel. In a short time, I gained 200 followers, and my views range between 800 and 1,000 per video. Just the beginning. I only spend about 5 minutes a day, thanks to this AI tool that creates videos in under 2 minutes. I also use it on my YouTube channel. Whenever I upload a long video, I send it to this website, and it automatically extracts 10 short videos from it. Then I simply pick the best ones and upload them as YouTube Shorts. You'll find the link in the first comment and the description box. If you're excited to know what the second niche is, leave a like so I know you're interested in this kind of content, and I'll make part 2 as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.